Octavius is a premium residential high-rise tower in the plush and upmarket Hiranandani complex in Powai. The apartment building is a much sought-after address and a landmark residential society with great views and nestled in a quiet, green and scenic part of Powai. The apartments are airy, spacious, full of natural light and well laid out. The building has several amenities that are expected of such luxury condominium constructions that include clubhouses, kids play area, generator backup, lawns for walking and holding parties, and is covered under full HD CCTV surveillance. The housing society is also highly eco-friendly with zero discharge and in-house composting. The tower stands tall amidst a scenic 300-acre site overlooking the placid Powai Lake, the majestic National Park hills, and the virgin woods of our Emil colony. With more than 40% of its area set aside for gardens, forests and playgrounds, Hiranandani Gardens offers you a home right amidst nature and yet not far away from the demands of work. The project Octavius is well prepared with all the basic features to facilitate the demands of the citizens. The site is in close distance to many civic utilities. Located centrally in Mumbai, it's a fantastic and a popular residential development of Hiranandani. Powai is a prime area with many attractions, work and recreational options just a drive away. We've come to check out Hiranandani Gardens, Octavius, 36-story, the tallest tower of Hiranandani here in Powai. Beautiful lobby with long big pillars and double heighted, about more than a decade old. Excellent, great construction. We're seeing a 5 BHK on sale, about 2,500 square feet, usable carpet. That's the one. Well lit lobby and big bright with a lot of marble flooring and finish, cleanliness and hygiene going all the time, every time, to maintain the upkeep and the standard. Great security and about 4 elevators working all the time. Let's go and have a look inside. We're seeing a massive and a 5 BHK gorgeous apartment on sale on a highest floor. Couple of bedrooms on that side. It's a 5 BHK, 2,500 square feet usable carpet, 850 square feet carpet of living space, 3 bedrooms on that side, kitchen on that side. You got 2 bedrooms on this side with the office as well. So that's how it is, brilliantly and fully furnished. Powai Octavius is the name of the tower, 36-story, the tallest tower of Hiranandani, Powai. Construction of Hiranandani. Beautiful puja room there and exclusively furnished. This was occupied earlier by the expatriates. But what a great view this is. Forest and hills and nature, amidst the nature. It's just gorgeous. Powai, the greenery, and very close to all the prime location, very centrally located as well. You can get to BKC, you can get to Chembur, you can get to anywhere from here, but brilliantly furnished, 2,500 square feet. That's a big and a nice puja room here. What they've done of this one is they've made a study. This is a bar table. So what they've done is you could use it for anything else if you like study, like puja, like small office. And this is the dry area that I want to show you. That's the one. So big dry area, very well. So a lot of places, you got big spaces everywhere. You got big bedrooms, but you never find a never find dry areas like these. And also there you go, the Powai Lake, the placid lake, Vihar, Powai. You can see everything. Not to forget the storage, the cabinets, the big huge wardrobes. So plethora of storage, no doubt about that. That's a storage unit as well. Expensive, high quality being used. That's a common bathroom out there. Let's go and have a look at that one. Yeah, with the shower, guest bathroom, brilliantly furnished and exclusively done apartment. So one of the bedrooms here, this is a common one, which is not the attached. So the guests can stay here and use the bedroom, bathroom that we saw. And again, the forest, the hills, the nature, and the serene, the calmness that you feel in your heart and in your mind when you're living around in such spaces without cacophony. That's one of your master bedrooms, but this is the biggest one of all. Have a look at the size, the suite, and enchanting. You got wardrobes on both the sides. Have a look there. You got windows, smaller windows, that one here and that one there. Apart from the French windows overlooking everything that's around, that's smaller than us. Have a look at this. We're on the highest floor. That's Powai. Powai is enticing and exciting, a great landmark and a city within a city. What a change face of urban sprawl that is. That's Powai Lake and Vihar Lake behind. It's foggy at the moment, so you can't see much out there, but air cons installed. You got bathroom, which is huge, big in nature, and you got the space that I was told to explore, and this space is also big. Have a look at this one here. There's plenty of things you can do with the space here. Brilliant. Let's go and have a look at the other parts. So 5 BHK with 5 bathrooms, 4 parking spaces. That's a one. Windows everywhere, letting a lot of sunshine in. Again, cabinet here. You got outside space, massive space, only 2 apartments per floor here in this one. On this floor, big dining. The kitchen is spacious as well with everything that you need, and storage is ample, no doubt about that. The color combination and the elements being used, the basic and the minimalistic, and the very well chosen as well. Excellently furnished. Have a look at the living space again. Can't get enough of this one now. Let's go and check what we have here. Is so this is an alter ego of the other side. That side also had the dry area. This also has the dry area here, and it's a big one. So there are a lot of people looking at spaces where they can have access to dry area, spaces, storage. Have a look there. You got hills. You got Nomura and Deloitte as well, so big companies around, corporate plus urban sprawl plus nature, whatnot. Powai has to offer everything apart from the great location as well, as location matters. One of the bedrooms again with a big bathroom, spacious inside as well. The storage is so much that I think 2,500 is it exceeds that carpet area easily. Very good hills as well, and nature at its best. The green carpeted hills as well. There's a little dressing area as well that you can see, apart from the wardrobe. So even if you have the biggest of king size bed and wardrobe, you can still move around and run around. And another bedroom. So get lost in the amount of the kind of space that it offers, and it offers privacy and actually facing the greenery, the lush green mountains. No hustle bustle, no cacophony at all. Bathrooms again, the good inside, the big, and again this big area outside there. So ample of space as well. We haven't checked this, have we? So 3 bedrooms on this side. Yes, attached. Every bedroom is attached apart from one inbuilt wall wardrobe as well. Have a look how deep that goes, about 3 feet, and good finish as well. Inescapable nature and its benefits and advantages. If you want to just go walk, jog, run, that's what it offers. Powai Hiranandani Octavius 5 BHK, 2,500 square feet, 5 BHK, 5 bathrooms plus the office room. You've seen that one as well. And what a gorgeous and a beauteous space this is. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube and Instagram with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to have a look at this, holla at me guys. Cheers.